Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Microsoft Teams with the error code 33996144475 in Windows. So the error typically happens during sign in with the message, "Can you please sign in again? Sorry for any inconvenience," and it blocks access to Teams. And the problems might caused by a corrupted Teams cache, malfunctioning trusted platform module hardware, and unstable internet connections. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to check and update network and internet connections. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type troubleshoot settings and then click open, and here at troubleshoots, and then you need to select other troubleshooters and then click, and again here at other troubleshooters, and you need to select network and internet, and on right side then you can see here this run and then click, and we will redirect here at help and support. So here we need to follow the step-by-step procedures and method to fix the error. Alright, so you need to follow one by one of these to fix this issue. So once you're done here at network and internet troubleshooters, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to update the TPM driver. So this is what we call the malfunctioning trusted platform module. So all you have to do is to right click on Windows Start button. And next step, then you need to select Device Manager. And once you open up this device manager, and then next step, then you need to select the security devices. So all you have to do is to click this arrow to expand. And then you can see now this trusted platform module drivers. So all you have to do is to update these drivers. So select and then right click and then tap update driver, and updating this driver. So we have two options like search automatically for drivers, and the other one is browse my computer for drivers. So for this tutorial, then we need to select and tap this search automatically and then click, and the best drivers for your device are already installed. Alright, so we need to close this device manager, and then here at the start menu, and then we need to restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Microsoft Teams with error code 33996144475 in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.